Hi all, welcome to this week's video and I'm here with a simple healthy recipe. So our today's star ingredient is the sprouted mung beans. Now this is an apt dish to include into your menu, especially for those who are in diet also. And in this video I will be showing how to make sprouted mung beans easily at home and a quick recipe with it. So let's head in. Into a bowl I have taken the needed mung beans and will just wash it well. Drain the water and add needed water to soak in the beans. I have taken the red mung beans also. If you want you can skip this. Same process only. Wash it well, drain and add needed water to soak in. We'll keep this for overnight or nearly 12 hours. After 12 hours you can see the mung beans has turned into a lightish color. Strain out the water well and transfer it into a bowl. To keep it aside as such for another 12 hours or the next day, you can see our mung beans has sprouted well. Next, to make our healthy dish, I have taken half a cup of the sprouted mung beans, that is taken red and green, and 1 cup of sliced ivy gourds, 5 to 6 of shallots, or you can go up with 1 small onion, green chilies as per your spiciness, and few curry leaves. We'll be crushing the shallots, garlics and green chilies first. Now either you can do this way or you can just chop them. Heat a pan, add in around 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and then goes in the crushed shallots and garlic along with few curry leaves. Saute it for nearly 2 to 3 minutes. Later add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and saute until the raw smell disappears. When done, add in the sliced ivy gourd. Add needed salt into it and give it a good mix. Later on add needed water, not too much, just 1/3 cup of water is enough, and cook for around 10 minutes or until the veggies are done. When it's done, add in the sprouted beans and mix it well into the veggies. Close it with a lid and just cook for 2 minutes. Now cooking the sprouted, it's optional. If you want it to have as raw, you can just mix it with the veggies and serve. Or if you don't like the raw taste, just cook for 2 minutes on low flame as shown. Finally it's done and it's time to serve in our sauteed ivy gourd with the sprouted mung beans. So hope you like this week's healthy recipe. Now as you all know, sprout has a lot of health benefits. If you are in a diet, this is something a must to include in your menu. And until we see with the next interesting recipe, this is Nisha. Stay safe and bye all.